liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
Sa Visayas ating tanang final game of our second game day dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of the Champions. Live here inside Banana Court in Las Piñas. Baron Mercado covering the action. And we started this game day in the under 21 division. Ngayon naman, magtatapos tayo sa under 21 din as Region 2. Apong Cagayan taking on the Calamba Carabaos from Laguna. As both teams looking to end their day with a victory. Will be an interesting matchup. One up north and one here near Las Piñas. Wearing white ay itong mga taga Laguna. Itong Region 2, Apong Cagayan. They are wearing their blue jerseys. That's for us to distinguish. Had a solid game earlier para dito sa Apong Cagayan. Getting those basket in. Cannot hit that jumper. Was close is a PJ Tungkol. They lost earlier, I believe, talking about this Region 2 squad. PJ Tungkol was really a dominant force in that game earlier. Getting majority of that points. Look at that shimmy on that layup. A miss. As they go for the shot. Nice attempt. That is Renz Layugan. making that a 3-pointer. 7-0 start para dito sa Apong Cagayan squad. Goes for the spin. Sabi ng ating referee, stepping na at the line. PJ Tungkol was really a dominant force earlier, though yun nga, wasn't able to secure that victory. Natalo sila nila JP Kudo on that good game, that clutch play, having that lead majority of the way. Nawala lang sa kanila nung dulo, but now bumabawi a 9-0 start. Meanwhile, the Calamba Carabaos still looking for their basketball. Tivar can be a good matchup against a PJ Tungkol. As you see, the guys in white in solidarity, hindi pa nakakaupo dito dahil wala pa silang puntos. That is it. Letting his teammates sit down. Marvin Cuenca with that beautiful drive. Way downtown once again. Recovered. Nice rebound. Stepping through, making that basket. Danga. Waiting for the right opportunity to strike. 11-2. Paul for 3. Bitin yung 3 points na yun ni Tivar. As Danga once again on that drive this time. Nakahuli, nakabingwit ng foul. With 5:50 remaining. That's how fast, that's how this Apong Cagayan squad play their basketball. 11 points already, including that 9-0 run to start off the game. Roldan Danga nakakuha pa ng rejection yan kanina. But though on a close ball game, nahuli rin siya. Block shooting a 3. But right now, speaking of 3 points na itong si Roldan Danga. Marvin, pass was too strong. Hindi na habol yun. Wasn't able to rescue that one. Is a Heaven Magtibay. Didiskarte ulit itong si Laguyan. On that move, drops it off. Basket is good for Danga. 5 points already para dito kay Danga. 14-2. Looking to have his game here is Justin Antolihaw. Kanina pa siya naghahanap ng pagkakataong makapuntos. Balti being greet there by his big man, PJ Tungkol. Again, one of the best playmakers I have seen all day. Itong si Freymark Baltazar, si Balti, para dito sa Region 2. 14-2 is the score and will be at the line. Nathaniel Solasco will rattle the first free throw in. (14-4) goes for that attack. That is Paul Salvador drawing that foul. At yun kabilis gustong bawiin ng Region 2 yung kanilang pagkakamali kanina. Nasa Paul Salvador will be at the line. Knocks down the first one. (16-4), a 12-point lead. Apong Cagayan. Susubukang dagdagan pa ang puntos, only allowing Laguna to only 4 points. Si Marvin yung isa sa mga nakapuntos. Solasco was the other one for their squad. Here is that is AJ Tungkol. Couldn't get that basket to go in. Last foul for Calamba. They will be at the line. Here's a PJ Tungkol. One more time at the charity stripe. Missing on the first one. Second shot rattles in. 17-4 is the score with 4 minutes 09 remaining dito. Timeout muna tayo, brought to us by Pound Active.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko.
17-4 is the score here. Region 2 lamang pa rin dito sa ating contest. Here is Marvin on this attack. Nice pass. Better defense by the guys wearing blue. Strong finish on that basket plus the foul. That is Nunay Malubay scoring his first 2 points. Malubay knocks down the bonus. 17-7 is the score with 3:48 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Looking to make a stop here. Heaven Magtibay and company. Nice break free. Shot is in. Good pass. Good finish. Angelo Manuel. Good delivery by Egay Layugan. Getting that assist to go. 19-7 is the score. Magtibay couldn't get that prayer to go up. Almost a steal. Here is Egay Layugan once again. Looking to set up his teammates kanina. Fouling out of the game. Susubukan niyang makabawi dito. Here is Tungkol. Losing the ball here. Chance for Cuenca. Making a strong pass. A quick one in this ball game. Pounding the ball inside. Wrap around pass. Cuenca for the shot. Bitin yung kanyang opportunity. Nunay Malubay. 2:50 remaining here. A 10-point lead. 9-19. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong
2 minutes 45 remaining here in the opening quarter. Looking to make some room here. Itong si Egay Layugan has scored a 3-pointer, sends it in the corner. Goes for that one-hander. That is off the mark. Couldn't find that basket. Was Nathaniel Pintukan. Maganda yung kanyang performance, I believe. That was in the second or third quarter where he scored 6 straight points. Almost helping his team to victory. But Cyrus Balag and company this time looking to foil the success of Region 2. Yun nga lang, turnover on their side. 19-9 is the score, a 10-point lead with a minute 53 remaining of that spin. Here is Egay. That is off the mark, way off to be exact on that 3. A minute 40. 10-point lead pa rin para dito sa Region 2. Laguna looking to enter double digits, and that is a good way to deny that pass. A steal from behind, looking to make a counter. Manuel couldn't handle the rock. Too strong of a jumper. Hindi makapasok itong si Nunay Malubay on that last play. On the other side, hindi rin makadiskarte. James Caraw couldn't handle that pass. (19-9) ang ating score dito. Approaching the final minute, Magtibay. Balik dito kay Nunay. Referees will call a foul after that swipe from behind. Nolasco will be once again at the opportunity to score here. 51 seconds remaining. Heaven Magtibay, guarded by Paul Salvador. 45 seconds remaining. Looking for the shot, 5 to go. Nowhere to be found, but bailed out on that foul. After a 9-0 start para dito sa Region 2, only scoring 10 points since. Meanwhile for Laguna, only scoring 9 points. So medyo mabagal or bumagal ang pagkakataon dito as Cyrus Balag couldn't secure the first free throw. Second one gets the friendly roll, and they enter double digits here. (19-10). The diskarte one more time on that pass. Left side shot won't fall. Offensive rebound, Salvador couldn't find the angle. Gilbert Gaita also entering this contest. Or I should say, that is JP Maltu para dito sa Apong Cagayan. Salvador. Maltu, balik kay Paul. 3-man passing. In and out para dito kay Angelo Manuel. On the push, Cyrus Balag with 10 seconds to go. Jumper still won't work. Both teams have struggled to make those outside shots. Heaven Magtibay, all air on that one. 1.7 seconds remaining. And that is it for the opening quarter. 19-10. Region 2, Apong Cagayan. Lamang pa rin ng siyam dito. Let's see if Laguna Calamba Carabaos can get things going in the second.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
Second quarter action. 19-10 is the score. Region 2 with an 11-point lead after that basket going in by John Maltu. Under 21 division, 11-point lead. Region 2 getting the first 2 points on the board. Tough basket falling away. That is a good basket by Nunay Malubay. So both teams has entered the scoring fray. Angelo Manuel couldn't get that basket, throws it up. Heaven Magtibay behind his back. Nice rejection. Huling-huli. Manuel just slamming the door. (21-12). Evan Magtibay looking for his shot. A 3. Didn't go in. Nolasco or will make that basket. That is a Nathaniel Solasco getting that putback to go in. 21-14. Looking to make this work here as that basket goes in. PJ Tungko looking to get his groove, look to take over in this contest once again, just like how he did it against JP Kubo. A block by Tungko on that one. Not only on offense, showing up on defense this time. Shot, bitin, gets that rebound, looks for that extra pass. Bago pa makagawa ng pasa, meron ng foul na naitawag. JC Lumba. PJ Tungkol making that shut down earlier. Now a 9-point lead. (23-14). Balti returns onto the action, sends it in the corner. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Referees call a travel on that drive by PJ Tungkol. Nine-point lead here. Didiskarte sa ilalim. Solasco erased that time. That's 2 blocks para kay PJ Tungkol. Nine-point lead. Baltasar one more time setting up a teammate. Lumba had a hand on it. Mawawala sa kampo ng Region 2 ang bola as they look to score here. Talking about Laguna and the defense starting to cramp up the space. Referees blowing a lot of whistles in this second quarter as they prevent things from escalating in this game. 9-point lead pa rin ang lamang ng Region 2. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan.
Let's see how will Laguna make this timeout count. Down by still 9 points. So Lasco has been productive for his squad. De Los Santos has entered the ball game with 6 seconds to go. Jumper. That is off the mark para dito kay Laurel, and now pushing the pace, Salvador. PJ Tungkol with a basket. Again, can finish it strong, I should say, is Tungkol. Lines up for 3, a push. Danga will be fouled there on that rebound. (25-14). Balik 11 ang kalamangan. 3 on the way, Egay. Danga playing well today. Roldan Danga has been the X factor for this run ng Region 2. Getting some baskets here and there, forcing some fouls, mawawala nga lang. Kaya layugan yung bola. Nice cross by Nathaniel Solasco. Paul Salvador nagmamadali, babalik dito kay Balti. Can hit his outside shot. Balti for 3. Maybe too much pace para kay Balti. Almost a tap. Dito kay Cuenca. Straight away for that 3. Lead is down to 8. De Los Santos secures that 3. 27-19. Nathaniel Solasco drops it off for 2. What a run by Laguna in the couple of minutes. Timeout muna tayo. Babasa 6 ang kalamangan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
27-21, 6-point lead. Region 2 looking to break the run here by Laguna. Has hit a couple of baskets and they lose the ball on the process. A 4-on-2 break. Didn't take advantage of that run. Cuenca sends it, fakes, extra pass. Won't fall on that basket. Could have scored easily itong Laguna. Eye in the sky play. PJ Tungkol finding Egay Layugan. That one is a big to small alley-oop. Laurel will lose the possession. Danga was able to pick it up. Paul Salvador on the left. Ten-point lead. 3 minutes 10 remaining. Looking for that swipe. Merong foul na itatawag dito kay Layugan. Needs to be careful. Fouling out kanina itong si Layugan. 10-point lead. Cuenca on the drive. Marvin couldn't sneak one in. Offensive foul ang itatawag on that push. (31-21). Gonna make this count here. Para sa Region 2, they have successfully, at least for the moment, hold off that Laguna run. Almost a tough basket, crowded there. At least 3 to 4 defenders. Referees will call a foul. And now, shooting 2, James Caraw. Sinks the first one. Missing on the second. Nice steal. Recovered by Egay. Wow! What an activity para dito kay Egay Layugan. Yun nga lang, tatawagan ng offensive foul. So that's foul number 2. A minute 35 remaining dito sa ating first half of action. Almost losing the possession, and there you go, PJ Tungkol. Nabawi na yung offensive foul ng kanyang kakampi. Can they add more? Laurel, hitting some shots earlier, can have that 3-point bomb if he wants to. As we approach the final minute of this game, jumper will not fall. Offensive rebound, crowded in the lane. (34-21). So closing moments dito sa ating second quarter. Meron tayong timeout. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan.
Final minute dito sa ating second quarter. Nababa sa 6, balik sa 13 ang kalamangan dito ng Region 2. Laguna almost at the run. It was 27-21, a 7-0 run currently here by Region 2. Final 44 seconds to go as they look to enter our halftime in a much better situation. Sending it in the corner, De Los Santos for 3. Hits it on the board, and now offensive rebound. Babalik ang bola sa Laguna. They will be on the line this time. misses on the second. 12 pa rin ang abante dito ng Region 2. Nice stop by Laguna. Better stop by Region 2. Making that steal on that one. Nagmamadali on this finish. Left side layup. 10 seconds remaining. 34-24. That will be our tally. Manuel Maltu. Egay beating the buzzer. Almost hitting that one. 34-24. As we enter our halftime, lamang pa rin ang Cagayan. Let's see what will happen in the second half of action.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para
34-24, second half of action. Last two quarters. Let's see who will have a impressive victory to end our game day today. First 2 points for a James Caraw dito sa ating second half. (36-24). Laguna was able to cut it to at least 6 points earlier, but a good response, a 9-3 run currently, make it a 9-5 run by Region 2. Increasing their lead, they force a stop, another basket goes in. Down to 8, lowest they got was at least 6 points. 36-28. Manuel lost the possession. (36-28). 8 na lang ang kanilang hinahabol. Make it on that basket. Balik dito sa Region 2. Tatawagan sila ng traveling on the other side. (36-28). 7:40 remaining. Looking to cut this one once again to as low as 5 if they hit a 3. Ooh, what a move. Just waiting for that ball to fall. Baba ulit sa 6 ang kalamangan. Ito na ang pinakamababang nahabol ng Laguna in this game. Falling down, recovered by Egay. Here is Tungkol, stop and pop, jumper, too short. Salvador spins. Now on the run once again. Pogoy for 2 and 1. Back-to-back points para dito kay Pogoy. Lead is down to 3. Pressure starting to be felt by Region 2. Laguna making one more run in this game. Couldn't make that basket is Balti. Let's see if they can cut the lead more. Nice pass, nice rejection. Danga again has been big for Region 2 on offense and that time on defense. Pero nasa Laguna pa rin ang bola. Paul can hit that outside shot. Solasco sends it in the corner. 6 seconds to shoot. Top fadeaway. Hitting all air on that last one. Baltazar. Balik dito kay Egay. Jumper by PJ. Danga once again providing opportunity. Solasco. Mendoza couldn't finish on that layup. Baltazar one more time stepping through, extra pass. Tungkol. (38-33). Region 2 doing enough to keep this team at bay. Pogoy having a strong third quarter. Baba sa 3. Fakes on that 3. Baseline drive. Referees says stepping at the line. (38-35). A 3-point lead. Laguna looking to cut this one into 1 or maybe at least a tie. Jumper won't fall. Solasco fakes, shoots and scores. Lead is down to 1. Here comes the Carabaos from Calamba. Much needed basket. Pintukan with a 2. Still a 3-point lead. Solasco couldn't answer. Tungkol gets that rebound. He can go all the way if he finds a chance. Here is PJ Tungkol and 1. 4 minutes 10 remaining. Missing on that free throw. 42-37. 3 on the way. That is off the mark. Tatakbo ulit. Region 2, Balti attacks, scores on that one. What a move by Balti. Wrap around pass. Recovered by Tungkol. Isa na lamang kanina. A 6-0 run. 44-37. Baltazar passes it inside. Salvador can't get it. Balik ang bola sa Region 2. (44-37), Region 2 looking to take advantage of this slow melt for this Laguna squad. Magbabalik tayo after this timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan.
2 minutes 50 remaining. Na ibaba ng Laguna sa 1 point, pero Region 2 able to make it back. Almost a steal. Baltasar, big jumper. Balik sa siyam, baba sa 7. Ang kalamangan dito, Laguna. Di makakuha ng kalamangan. Salvador knocks it down. Nearing the last 2 minutes into this contest, 48-39. (48-39). Di diskarte once again. A minute 40 remaining. Laguna na ibaba sa 1. Let's see if they can score. Turnaround jumper, no good. Baltasar securing that rebound on the push. Looking to break in once again. 48-39. A 3 by De Los Santos. Looking to score once again as we enter our 4th quarter. Titignan natin if Region 2 can have an 11-point lead. The referees will call a foul. Final 58.6. We have a timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na
Of the rim. 5 seconds to go on the shot clock. Nice read by De Los Santos. Looking to end the quarter here on a high note and one. So Lasco has been playing well. .8. So Lasco completes that 3-point play. 48-42. Looking for that cross. Balti. Nice pass inside. Caro couldn't convert. Second try is good. Final 15 seconds. What a shot there. Cutting the lead to 4 on that spin. 5 seconds to go. Balti attacks, and we will enter our fourth quarter with a 6-point lead for Region 2, 50-44. We'll be right back.
liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugo.
.50-44, fourth quarter action. Rattles in the 3, Baltasar. Playing a big second half dito sa Region 2. Laguna again was only down by 1. But Region 2 able to find a way, sneak in, and make this game as far as possible para dito sa Laguna. Malalim, pero walang problema yung huling puntos na yon. 7-point lead, 53-46 is our total so far first quarter. Laguna and the Region 2 getting neck to neck. Pero pagdating ng second quarter, doon na medyo lumayo. As Baltasar is feeling it into this second half. That's his second three-pointer of the contest. So Lasco couldn't convert on that layup. PJ Tungkol, sabi ng kanyang mga coaches, relax lang. Lamang tayo ng 10. Don't do anything that can give Laguna a momentum. So Lasco has been playing well. Nice defense by Egay. Payugan was on that play from the get-go. Need to guard this man. Baltasar has 2 big threes. Tungkol will finish it home. and 1. Looking to push them further back. Itong si PJ Tungkol. (59-46) and 1. Nice response on that one. Tignan natin kung makukumpleto yung 3-point play. (59-49). Lamang dito ang Region 2. Looking to make some room. Fakes, shoots, nice find. Ball movement. Almost 3 players getting into that play. It was a Danga, it was a Baltasar and Salvador. Bitin nga lang yung kanyang attempt. But it's okay. We'll have a chance here to add more points on the board. Masyado malakas para kay Paul. Not a smart play if you want to make a comeback. 12 na ang abante dito ng Region 2. Looking to push them away. Tungkob, I should say. Missing on that attempt. Better defense by Baltasar. Not giving up. On the run this time. Solasco for 2. One last push, one last stand para dito sa Region 2. Nice pass, Egay getting that basket to go and a turnover happening right in front of the bench of Laguna. (62-51). Baltasar has been big in the second half. Salvador down for 3. Up by 14, the largest lead of the game. Solasco inside for 2. Just 2 teams wanting to end this game on a high note. Caraw, may foul sa baba, sabi ng ating referees, before he can make that move. .5:30 remaining. Looking to make one more run here. Salvador, balik dito. Egay, didiskarte, pulls the trigger. It's a mirage that shot goes in. Nanonood sa ating live stream for this one. Lloyd Beracion watching us today. Shout out sa iyo, Sir Lloyd. for supporting and watching our games for today. 4 minutes 40 to go. Basket goes in. 6-5, 5-7. Slipping down, looking to recover that possession. And a foul call on Mendoza. (6-5 to 5-7). 4 minutes 20 to go. Tungkol, triple teamed. Balik ang bola sa Laguna. A steal on the other side. Referees will call a violation on the side of Region 2 as we are in to the last 4 minutes of action. Let's see if Laguna can make some magic. Basket by Nathaniel Solasco. 6 ulit ang kalamangan. One last run perhaps para dito sa Laguna. Calamba Carabaos. PJ for 3. That is off. A chance one more time. Here is Heaven. Magtibay sends it on the other side. Solasco has been playing well on the side of Laguna. Bumping bodies. Couldn't find the glass. Baltazar. Danga for 3. Off the mark, Mendoza on a foot race, looking to challenge the defense, and that is possession back. I believe will go to Laguna. Don't look now with 2 minutes 57. 2 possession lead here, 65 to 59. Final 2 minutes 57 seconds remaining. Makahabol kaya ang Laguna? They will do a big basket right there on that inbound. 65 to 61. Tungkol looking to help his squad here. Almost a steal. It is picked up as referees will call a foul. And here you go. Some physicality happening here, some scuffle as this game is going down the wire. Referees will talk amongst themselves. A big call will be made here. I believe it will be a double tech. So that is a double tech on that last play. With 2:40 to go, again down the wire we go. Our final game of our 10-game schedule. We are going down the wire. Up by at least 13, 14 points. Apat na lang ang hinahabol dito ng Laguna, I should say. Region 2 looking to cut this lead off. Make it a 2-point game. Nearing the last 2 minutes. Laguna will have one last say. Paul Salvador with a big basket. Solasco has been the man for Laguna. Here he is all the way. Tungkol will receive that ball. Last 2 minutes. Salvador, the last player to score para dito sa kampo ng Region 2. They take the ball away. Here is Cyrus. Better steal by Egay. Pushing the pace all the way. Crashing and burning. Merong offensive foul na itatawag. Another situation. Fouling out once again. Egay payugan for back-to-back games. Can this be a repeat of what happened earlier? Lamang ang Region 2 majority of the way, lost on that possession. And stepping on the line right in front of the bench ng Region 2. A basket here can help Region 2's cause. Laguna is knocking on the door. Palakas na ng palakas. Balik ang bola sa Laguna. We are in the middle of a very, very good game as Mendoza sends it. Almost tying this one. 67-65. Appropriately named Magtibay, needing some help from the heavens. A minute 11 to go. Knocking down the first. Tie at 67. It's time for Region 2 to respond. Laguna, hindi pa nakakalamang dito for the first time since the first quarter. A steal on the other side. Heaven puts the ball in. Magtibay with 4 straight points. Tungkol this time will be fouled. Five fouls on Paul Tivar. Magtibay is indeed heaven sent for Laguna. This is their first lead since at least the first quarter. PJ Tungkol will now have an opportunity to push his team for the tie. Big miss for PJ Tungkol. One out of two, lead down to one. Mendoza and Laguna, they are looking for a big basket. Final 40 seconds remaining. Mendoza with a lot of moves, sends it out. A big three. Couldn't get it. Solasco, I should say, will get that rebound. Last stop para dito kay Angelo Manuel. 31.9 seconds. Bola pa rin ng Laguna. 69-68. Dying moments in this final game. Let's see what will happen. $31.9. 69-68. Solasco again has played huge for the squad. Nice give and go. Heaven Magtibay, the guardian angel for Laguna Carabaos, has hit 6 impressive pressure-packed points. Again, Magtibay is indeed heaven sent. Nine points in the fourth quarter for Heaven Magtibay. Final 22.6 to go. Let's see if Region 2 can find some answers.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to.
$22.6. Region 2 on the verge of losing back-to-back sorry losses. Basket goes in for Angelo Manuel. 72-70. Looking to melt the clock. Pogoy, 7 seconds to go. 5, no foul is called. Laguna will run away and escape this game. Heaven Magtibay, this is your moment. Pushing Laguna Calamba Carabaos to yet another victory in this game. What a performance by Heaven. Another disappointing loss on the side of Region 2. And what a way for us to end our coverage. 10 games in for today. Maraming salamat po for joining us. 72-70, panalo ang Laguna. For the men and women behind Junior MPBL Battle of Champions, Kit Picazo, dito sa ating referees, medical staff, table officials, sa ating game announcer. And sa amin sa production, Baron Mercado saying thank you and see you tomorrow sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions 70-72 Laguna. So walking away with the victory.